Hi friends, good afternoon. So in the previous videos of Linux, we have discussed about the 20 basic commands of Linux, right? So in the previous video, we have learned 20 Linux commands. So in the previous video, we have learned 10 commands, right? So in that I will execute only 5 commands now, and remaining 5 commands will be in the part 2 video. So let us get into the video. So first command is less. First command is less. So if you press less, so then it will tell the, like I have written the man command, right? For example, I will write cat less. Sorry, man less. So it will tell the name, opposite of mode, and you will be having synopsis, help, version, and it will tell all the files, a log file, pattern, prompt, all the details will be there. Description will be there, basically. Description will be there. Less is a program similar to more, but it has many more features. Less does not have to read the entire input file before starting. So with large input files, it starts with faster than text editor like VI. Less, yeah. So it will tell about the less command. So it will tell about the less commands. If you want to execute this thing, you can press the quit. So you will be having description commands. So all the commands will be there. You can check all the commands pattern. So different commands you can learn using less commands. Using less command. See here how many commands are there. Options are also there. Different options are there. You can, if you have free time, you can read all those things. If you want to quit this, press quit. And after that, let us print ls, and we have document cd desktop, and I will put ls and cd hello world, hello world, and ls. I'm one folder, and I will so nano sure, underscore star underscore star 2, and I'm having some inputs, right? I'm having some inputs. I have written, I'm Iron Man, I have different numbers, right? So please exit this video, save and exit this video. And I'm using head. So head minus n 5 and the file name. So what will head will do? It will give the first 5 lines of the text of the Achyut underscore star to file. So it will get into the Achyut underscore star to file, and it will give the first 5 lines of the file. So the first 5 lines of the file will be there. Add minus n 5. 5 means 5 inputs will be come. 6 means 6 inputs will come. So first head means from starting from top to end. And if you want tail, simple tail minus n, from below it will come 5. So the underscore start to, then the below will come. I hope you understand. And you want, and you can get back to the virtual box, and here if you press grep minus r I. So R means recursive. It will check directories and the subdirectories. And I is a so I is a it will ignore the all the binary files, which means if the file having any videos or audio files, then that file will be ignored. So R will check the directories and the subdirectories, and I will ignore the binary files. So in that I want iron. So in that I want iron. So just like this, and it will check all the directories and subdirectories. See, wherever it is having iron, it is highlighting. So wherever it has iron, it is highlighting. So I hope you understand. So what is a grep command? It will highlight the whatever command which you give, that will highlighting. And find desktop. Okay, find capital D, desktop. See, we can find different folders of desktop. So to find any folder or directory, you can use find as a command. So these are the first 5 commands that we had discussed earlier in the previous video. So next 5 commands will be come in the part 2 video. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from the video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.